everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin itong trifold wallet na may ribbon na design sa harapan. Napakadali lang niya. You're gonna work single crochets in rows. And also at the end, ipapakita ko kung paano gawin yung ribbon na design niya sa may flap. So maganda siya as a gift and maganda rin ipang gift for Valentine's Day or for any special occasion. Just make sure to subscribe for more video tutorials. To start the project, we're gonna chain 60. So first we're gonna make a slip knot and then we're going to chain 60. So yung 60 chains na yon, that will be our foundation chain. And the first row, we're going to make 60 single crochets. So all in all, we should be chaining 61. Add an extra chain, and then into each of the back chain, we're gonna work a single crochet. So into the second chain from the hook, on the back of the chain, we're gonna start making our first single crochet. In the first row, there should be 60 single crochets in total. And we're gonna be working in rows for the next 41 rows. So all in all, there should be a total of 42 rows with 60 single crochets. Once you get to the last 3 stitches, so make sure to work your last single crochet on the very last chain. Dapat 60 single crochets in total for the first row and for the succeeding rows. So after that, once done, we're going to chain 1 and then turn. And then into that same stitch where we chain 1, we're going to work 1 single crochet. So into each of the next 59 stitches, we will work 1 single crochet into each. So for each row, there should be a total of 60 single crochets. So ang sekreto lang talaga is bibilangin mo yung stitches per row at dapat pare-pareho silang 60 single crochet para pantay at rectangular yung shape natin. Also, kalimitan sa mga beginners natin, itong pinaka-last stitch ang nakakalimutan. So dapat huling chain doon, yun, wag kakalimutang lagyan ng last na stitch. And also, bilangin nyo muna bago kayo mag-turn. So, in this case, after nabilang na chain 1, turn, doon sa same stitch, maglalagay tayo ng 1 single crochet and we will just continue working 1 single crochet into each of the remaining stitches. Also, dito sa channel ko, meron ako mga videos na nagre-review sa mga crochet hook set na nabili ko. So, ito yung bagong set na nabili ko online and naipakita ko in my previous video yung review niya. So, you can watch it. I will link it in the description box. Now, once done, ito yung itsura niya and ito yung sizes niya just in case you want to know. Kung same yarn ang gagamitin natin, gantong size ang kukuha nyo. Pero kung hindi, siguro mas malaki kung mas makapal na yarn ang gagamitin nyo. Mas maganda talaga yung lightweight or fine weight na yarn ang gagamitin. All in all, 60 single crochets divide sa tatlo. Itong middle part na to, 20 single crochets, dito tayo gagawa ng flap. Before that, we're just going to chain 1 and then we're going to fasten off. And you can also weave in the ends para later on hindi na sa gabal kasi magdatahi pa tayo. And then next is we're gonna make a slip knot and then dito sa 21st stitch from the right, mag-work tayo ng 1 single crochet into each stitch and we should have 20 single crochet stitches in total. So chain 1, turn, ganun pa rin, we're gonna work 1 single crochet into the same stitch and we will be having 19 rows for the flap. Dito sa project na to, madalas tayo mag-chain 1 then fasten off, and of course, weave in muna natin yung ends para later on, tatahiin na lang natin after nating i-fold para maging trifold wallet siya. Sa paggawa naman ng ribbon, ang gagamitin kong yarn is in the field 4-ply yarn pa rin. This time, color red. Tapos, mag-work ako ng 6 rows of 20 single crochets. And then, mag-work ako ng single crochets in round. So, ito yung pinakababa ng ribbon. And, tatapusin ko lang mag-work ng single crochets in rounds. And then, later on, papakita ko sa inyo yung nauna kong ginawa na upper part naman ng ribbon siya. Ito yung mas malapad. Ito yung pinakatali kasi niya sa baba. Once matapos na, ipapakita ko nga pala yung ginawa kong pinaka-upper part ng ribbon. Ito yung 12 rows of 20 single crochets. Later on, papakita ko kung paano itali. So, next is i-fold natin itong project. So, itong part na to, dito tayo tatahi. So, tatahin natin yung part na yon to make the third pocket. So, ganyan dapat. So, fold muna natin in half, and then, on the 11th stitch, doon natin lalagyan ng stitch markers at doon natin tatahiin. So, hindi ko na pinakita sa video, but makikita nyo kung paano ko na lang tinatapos at wini-weave yung ends. Medyo sa una, maninibago kayo kasi dapat straight talaga yung stitch para okay yung fold ng pocket natin. So, after that, we're just going to hold it this way. Tapos, yung sides naman ang tatahiin natin para ma-form yung second or middle pocket niya. Whip stitch lang ang ginamit kong stitch dyan, but you can work single crochets kung yan ang prefer nyo. Kasi for me, parang medyo bulky yung stitch na yon. So, mas prefer ko yung whip stitch. After that, we're going to weave in the ends. And ang next naman natin gagawin is yung ribbon. Ito nga pala, 3 rows of 20 single crochets. And then, pag join ko na yung dalawang part ng ribbon, ito yung malaking part. Yun yung pinaka nasa baba niya. After ayusin, and then papaikot ko tong malapad na to na 3 rows of 20 single crochet. So, pwede nyo bawasan kung nahabaan kayo dun sa pinaka-pantali niya. And then, itatali ko siya sa likod para nakasecure siya. Tapos, mag-work tayo ng single crochets sa bawat sides ng flap para ma-attach natin tong ribbon na to. Doon naman sa may flap niya, mag-work ako ng 1 single crochet into each stitch. Tignan nyo na lang kung saan yung magandang part na lagyan ng stitch. And then after that, saka natin i-attach yung ribbon dun sa last 12 na rows ng single crochets. So, doon ko usually nilalagay. Itong pinaka-corner niya, mag-a-add ako ng isa pang single crochet para maging rounded siya. And then, I will just keep on working 1 single crochet to join dito sa flap na white. And then, once I get to the other side naman, I will just work 1 single crochet into each of those stitches, yung pinakadulo ng flap na white part. Tapos kung anong ginawa ko dun sa sides, dun sa opposite side, yun din ang gagawin ko sa kabilang side. Alright, so once done, we're just going to chain, then fasten off, and weave in the ends. So, marami tayong ends na i-weave dito, pero worth it naman siya. If you're planning to use a different kind of yarn, hopefully, kasing nipis lang siya ng Indifil 4-ply para hindi siya bulky. Kasi, dito sa Trifold Wallet, pag super bulky yung yarn na ginamit mo, chances are, hindi siya ma-fold na maayos. So, tapos na yung ribbon natin, maglalagay na lang tayo ng magnetic button. So, I'm using the one in bronze. I also made a tutorial on how to sew using the sewing thread or pwede rin yung Indofil. So, link in the description box. So, if you made one, please do not forget to tag me on my Facebook page or on my IG account. Thank you so much for watching, and also to all my new subscribers, you can check my playlist. I have a lot of purses tutorials, mostly mga local yarns ang gamit ko. So thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta, and also thank you for watching the whole video. Bye-bye!